Somebody building a new deck in there? It's time for another bread video with the bread machine. This time with coconut flour.
Roll the intro.
Already? What's up, my keto friends? And you know exactly who you are. Welcome back to another video. My name's Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
And I ain't got time to bleed. You know what I'm talking about? If this is your first time here, I want to ask you for a favor. Go right below this video. There's a red subscribe button. Click that, move over a little bit. There's a little bell icon. Click that one, then click the word all so you will get all notifications when we upload great content on this keto channel. Now, as I just mentioned, keto bread in a bread machine. That was our very first video. If we go all the way back, this is episode 39 something. I don't know what it is, but all the way back to the very first video, bread video. As a matter of fact, that's it. That is our most popular video to date because it is the most searched.
They don't care.
What everyone cares.
Anyway.
Because if I tell people this, they're going to go, wow, they're right, because I remember searching for this, because that's how you found us.
So one of our keto friends asked us if we could do keto bread utilizing coconut flour.
Yes.
And so we were like, challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted.
So we decided to do it.
So what we did is we used the same exact ingredients as we used in our first video, except we replaced almond flour with coconut flour. Now, I'm already kind of nervous because I remember when we did our waffles, we did coconut and almond. Almond was lighter, kind of fluffier. Coconut was a little sturdier. So I'm anxious to see how the bread's going to turn out on this one.
Yeah, let's get to doing.
Let's go.
Okay, and for today's recipe, we have 1/2 cup of oat fiber, 1 1/4 cup of vital wheat gluten, 2/3 of a cup of coconut flour, 4 tablespoons of erythritol, powdered erythritol sweetener, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 cup of 95-degree temperature water, and 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum.
To the limit. To the limit. To the limit.
Yeah, right there. 3 hours later. Or is it later?
Yeah.
Later. All right, here's the bread.
So this is the coconut bread.
This is coconut bread. It's very heavy.
It didn't rise.
You hear that? So
yeah. It cooked. It's preset, so it cooks for 3 hours, but you
so
can
we've
see
been at
one
this
is
for
like
3 hours. We're exhausted. We haven't been to
dark.
sleep in 3 days.
And it didn't rise
Okay,
at all.
so it didn't rise, but we did use yeast, just like the almond flour. Do you think there was something that caused it not to rise?
I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. I think maybe because coconut flour is just kind of dense.
You know what? I don't remember what the last one looked like. The almond flour, was it this?
Yeah, it looked like
so
this.
it looked like this. It wasn't this dark. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's taste coconut flour. Okay, already it's kind of...
It's chewy.
Yeah, already it's kind of... It was hard to kind of tear apart. Okay, it has a good smell to it. It smells like bread. I'm just gonna go, I'm not going from the outside, I'm going straight in the middle. Ready? It's too chewy.
I don't hate it.
It's too chewy. It doesn't break down good in my mouth like the almond flour.
It's very...
Um,
I don't hate it.
well,
It's got a good flavor.
I mean, I wouldn't say I don't hate it. I can't see me eating with this on a sandwich. Maybe sopping up some gravy or something.
This one with a grilled cheese toasted?
Well, you know what? It does, now that you said that, it does have a little slight taste like the Aldi zero carb bread. It has that texture kind of. Because I remember biting into the grilled cheese that you've made us with the Aldi's.
Dude, I'm surprised.
And it's got that spongy. It's real spongy.
I did not think I was going to like this.
But, you know, to each his own.
It's a little dry.
Yeah, a little dry.
I need
You
some
know,
water.
almond milk with that.
But, and there again, like I said, it did not rise at all, and it's very dense.
So, that being said, Susan was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and make another batch. Since it didn't rise,
Maybe my yeast is janked up.
it's janked up. So, what was the solution?
I bought some pecan flour at Walmart's. And so, believe it or not, Walmart is like really stepping up the keto game because they had walnut flour, pecan flour. They got a nice little selection now. And then all the Lily's chocolate chips I got at.
Yeah. I mean, y'all saw that on the video. The butterscotch, the whatever.
So
what we got
this
there.
is
So she decided to make a loaf of pecan flour.
And I already cut a piece.
Hadn't tried this, so this is this is new.
But see, this is look at the difference.
Yeah, look at the difference. This looks like wheat bread. I don't know if,
Look at the difference in how much it rose.
but peak game on that. That's some wheat. See the difference in the color? I don't know if you can see that. Is that zoom?
Yeah, that definitely looks like wheat bread.
I mean, that looks like a piece of wheat bread. So, all right, I'm gonna.
Haven't tried this either. It's
Okay,
very fluffy.
It's very, yeah.
Well, I did cut it very thin because my last ones on the other
It is
video
very thin.
was
Here we go. Okay, it's a little lighter, but it still has that hard, spongy texture to it.
it's not as dry. As the
Yeah,
coconut.
this has got some moisture in it, which I'm okay with that.
It's not as dry as the coconut flour, that's for sure.
Yeah, because the coconut, you can't like press down on this, and I can feel moisture in there.
Yeah, and the coconut flour one is very I can't
like
even
this
hardly
one
pull
better.
it apart. Look, I'm like it's
very difficult
chewy.
to, and this one pulls right apart.
So which one do you like better?
I like the pecan flour. Is it pecan or pecan?
Or pecan?
I've heard it 3 ways.
I say pecan.
I think there's a north, south, and a west.
Pecan, I
Way
think,
to say it.
northern.
What do they say in Florida? They don't eat pecans in Florida.
Brown nut. Anyway.
Yeah, this one, I could, yeah.
I don't
Already just eating this, it's got a better taste and texture to it, so.
We
Pecan
actually,
flour, ding, 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 ding,
we
ding.
actually gave the kids a piece of the coconut flour because as soon as I got it out, I was like, this bread's messed up. Something's wrong with this.
Yeah.
And so I sliced it, and the kids were like, can I try it? You know how they always want to try everything. They're like, can I try it? And I gave it to them, and they were like, oh my gosh, this is so good. This is so good. And I was like, really?
Wait till they try the pecan bread.
That's true, maybe.
I mean, right after this video.
They liked it better than the Aldi. They liked the coconut flour bread. They liked it better than the Aldi bread. They wanted a grilled cheese on the coconut. I was like, you have to wait until we do a video. So
Exactly. Yeah, I was like, hey, stop touching the bread, please. Yeah. Like every time we cook, they're like, hey, give me those cookies.
They're like little vultures.
And like, hey, we need to put this on the video first. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
It's part of the props.
Part of the process.
Of video. All right, well, that's the bread video. It's bread video number 2 in a bread machine. I hope this one is just as popular or more popular than the other bread video. Let's try to get out there and share this video. Make sure you like it, share it with friends. Let's make this one blow up just like the other bread video. Why? Because you're searching for it.
And as you're watching this video, we've hit 300 subscribers, I feel sure.
Oh, okay.
Right now we're at 299, so I feel sure when this video airs, we'll be at 300. Whoop, whoop.
Exactly.
Yeah. And also to mention our friend.
That's right.
Keto.
Yeah, Think Keto actually did our waffle recipe. So thanks for that. Thanks for reaching out and doing that waffle video. She said her husband loves those the next day after they're frozen.
Yeah.
So appreciate that. Think Keto. Make sure you go over there and subscribe to her channel. Just search in YouTube Think Keto and subscribe to her channel.
Put it in right here.
That's right. I'll put a card right above us, and it'll be a playlist of her videos over at Think Keto. Think Keto.
I love the keto community because I mean it's like so community. It's like a community. I mean it's just like it's great. Everybody's so nice. I mean I'm sure there's mean people out there, but so far
I'm sure there is. But like you said at the beginning. Somebody reached out in the comments and said, hey, won't you try this with coconut flour? And we did.
Yeah.
And I hope you either try it from this or you go, you know what, I'm not going to try it because they didn't like it too much. So,
well, I don't hate it.
No, I don't hate it, but I'm not going to make it again.
Anyway, that's our video.
Anyway, that's the video. Thanks, guys. Remember, until next time, keep it bread.
That's not even, you're not even trying anymore.
That's a game.
You're not even trying anymore.
Wait, that's a game. I am bread. Wait, you just knocked the mic over.